Dear viewers of our channel, our company has released a new CNC machine for 2D bending of wire with a cross-section from 2 to 6 millimeters. This machine is one of the most popular in the field of wire bending. It produces flat parts according to customer requirements and can be equipped with a welding robot for butt and contact welding directly on the machine. Also, this machine is a further development of the line of 2D machines and is already a separate fourth model in the series of 2D machines. This machine is also equipped with graphical simulation software with smart settings for spring rates and a metal laboratory function. Specifications features: power. With a total power of 7 kilowatts, this machine is ideal for processing wire in your projects. Servomotors. 2 powerful servo motors, each 3 kilowatts, provide reliable and precise control. Hardened surfaces. All cutting and rubbing surfaces are hardened, which guarantees long service life of the equipment. Punch matrices made of tool steel, X12, U10, U8, provide high rigidity and strength. Software upgradability allows you to always be one step ahead. Compact overall dimensions of the machine, 2.8 by 1.3 by 1.3 m, allow you to save space in production. Drawing speeds up to 70 meters per second and bending speeds up to 360 degrees per second ensure high productivity. Additional options: wire alignment unit, possibility of optionally equipping with a wire alignment unit to increase processing accuracy. Coil holder, for convenient supply of material during operation. Warranty: we provide a 1-year warranty on our equipment, which underlines the quality and reliability of the products. This CNC 2D wire bending machine from ElectroTorg Machinery Company is a reliable and efficient solution for your production that will help you cope with the most complex tasks. Don't miss the chance to improve your efficiency with our equipment. For any questions you're interested in, please contact us via the contacts on the website. We wish everyone a good time and good mood.